Hi there, students. Potty. Potty. This is either an adjective or it's a noun, but the meanings are completely different. To me as a Brit, if you say somebody is potty, you say they're crazy. Their behaviour is strange. It's foolish. That was a potty idea. I'm getting so bored here. I'm just going potty. I'm going crazy. I don't want to hear any more of your potty suggestions. And then a potty is a toilet for a child. It's one of these bowls, very often with a handle, that a child sits on. And this is a child's potty. So a potty, a potty, the toilet for a child. You could have potty training. Potty training is teaching children to use the potty. Or you could say somebody has got a potty mouth. This is very American. It means they're rude. They say rude things. I don't want to hear any more of your potty mouth. In English I would say swearing or something like that, but it works. So potty, crazy. The noise from next door's party is driving me potty. My dad is potty about old cars. He's absolutely crazy about them. The girls are potty about the latest singer. I must have been potty to buy this car. It was such a mistake. It was a really potty idea. You don't expect me to take your potty suggestions seriously. So, do you need the potty, or will you be alright for a bit? Do you have to go potty, or are you fine? So, crazy or a chamber pot? Okay, so a potty training, particularly to potty train a child, to use the potty mouth. I guess you could have potty humour as well, dirty jokes. But let's see, this adjective potty, crazy, mad. The noise that the kids were making was driving me potty. It was driving me insane. It's just driving me up the wall. If I have to do any more of this this type of work, I'm going to go potty. I'm going to go crazy. So slightly silly, slightly crazy. If I had to work in this place, I'd go potty. To be potty about something or someone. He's absolutely potty about his girlfriend. He's crazy. She's potty about old books. There's a potty old bird that lives next door. She's quite old. She's very sweet but a bit potty. And then the potty. Don't forget to make the child use the potty before we go on our trip. So this is for a child that's just stopped using nappies, or you're trying to persuade a child to stop using nappies and to toilet train them properly. Okay, so potty, absolutely crazy, mad. Let's see, what about some origin? Well, the potty, the chamber pot, comes from a chamber pot. It's from the word a pot. And then potty, the other one, I honestly don't know. It's driving me potty, it's driving me gaga, it's driving me crazy. This one I would be interested if anybody had some ideas of the origin. Okay, so potty, crazy, nutty, mad, cuckoo, deranged, screwy, demented, balmy, batty, bonkers, daft, loony, foolish, dotty. Yeah, you see potty. There are lots and lots of words for the crazy one. And then the potty is the toilet for children. Okay, so if somebody's potty, they've got a screw loose. Formality. 3.5. Use it in an informal conversation, not in something formal. And then potty for a baby, potty for a child. I guess 5 in formality, maybe 4.5 in formality. Use it informally. I guess you probably need to use it in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing. In something very formal, I think I would use the word toilet or chamber pot. So, potty.